to warm up my coffee. Yes, warm up. Honey, you need to fix the microwave. It's not working, and if I don't have my coffee, I am gonna end your soul.
Oh, that's fine. I can just use the computer.
What do you mean you're gonna use the computer? Fix the microwave!
What I mean by using the computer, babe, is that I can microwave it. If you don't believe me, come in here and give me a coffee cup and I'll show you.
Alright, fine. Here's my cup.
Alright, cheers. And now, let me show you. Let me just get it in there.
But how the hell are you gonna warm up my coffee in a computer?
Ah, that's the question. Now, let me show you by getting Minecraft set up. Alright, there we go. Now we wait. Wait for it.
Bye.
Why'd you leave? Oh, I overdone it. Why am I dragging myself into it? Oh, this is gonna hurt. Oh no, it's beginning. No. Not again.
Skibity dada.